Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a passkey for your Roblox account. So first, launch your web browser, go to roblox.com, log into your specific account. Now click on the gear icon in the top right to open your Roblox settings. So go ahead, select settings. Now in the settings menu, select account info in the top. Under account info, locate and click on the add passkey option. The option is under the login methods. Go ahead and select add passkey, select continue. You'll need to verify your identity, and you can either enter your 6-digit two-step verification code and click on verify, or choose another way to verify, such as entering your Roblox password and then click on verify. Then in the top of the page, it will ask if you want to create a passkey to sign into your Roblox account. Select create, and you may need to verify your computer's PIN or login password. And once these steps are complete, your passkey will be successfully created and saved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.